Guys, I am Shah Harsh and today I am here to discuss about the topic of coronavirus, natural or human generated weapon. So, first of all, what is coronavirus? Coronavirus are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease COVID-19. Now, what is COVID-19? So, some of us says it is Chinese originated virus in December 2019. It's a hell of a joke, right? Now, actually, COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues its destructive course, there are two theories which are widely held. First of which is the coronavirus pandemic may have been the result of an accident at a biosafety level 4 laboratory in China's Wuhan city. And the second theory is China deliberately launched a biological attack in order to position itself as the single greatest superpower while flattening its rivals' industrial and economic capacity. Both theories have strong supporters armed with a battery of facts. The problem is not with the data, but actually it's with the China itself. With its habitual secrecy, big ambitions and absolute disregard for life or the environment. Allied to that is the fact that biolabs everywhere have been a source of serious threats, with the big powers seeing them as a potentially usable as weapons of mass destruction, proved by the large number of such facilities worldwide. What helped this conspiracy theory spread fast were reports of cover-up by China when the disease was still in the early phase of spread. Finally, when China admitted that it was an outbreak, it pinpointed the origin of novel coronavirus infection to a seafood and animal meat market in Wuhan. This market is only about 25 to 30 kilometers from China's premier virus research center, the Wuhan Institute of Virology, of the parties named in the lawsuit filed in the USA. The Wuhan Institute was already the suspect for the conspiracy theories. It was already in discussion that novel coronavirus was a bioweapon that escaped or allowed to escape the lab. This gained further currency from reports of a Chinese scientist couple being expelled from a center of virology in Canada, which denied the link between the disciplinary action and the spread of COVID-19. Two more developments fueled the imagination of the masses as well as the classes. Discovery of a 1981 work fiction, The Eyes of Darkness, whose description of a viral outbreak extraordinarily matches with the COVID-19 pandemic, was the first. The writer named the virus as Wuhan 400, calling the Chinese city its epicenter. Almost 2 decades later, Wuhan in fact played that role. In the second case, an American singer, Carrie Hilson, linked the novel coronavirus outbreak with the China's new technology headway with 5G network of telecommunication. China launched its 5G technology in November 2019. The novel coronavirus outbreak was registered in December 2019. Now, a study has found that the first novel coronavirus patient could have got infection in November itself. But now scientific studies debunk this theory by addressing the question directly and also by exploring the real makeup of the novel coronavirus. In a paper published in the Nature, the researchers analyzed the genome of the COVID-19 and compared it with its cousins from the coronavirus family. It was found during analysis of the behavior of novel coronavirus among humans that COVID-19 may bind a human protein called ACE2 with high affinity. But the computational analysis predict that the interaction is not ideal. This means the high affinity binding of the COVID-19 spike protein to human ACE2 is most likely the result of natural selection on a human or human-like ACE2 that permits another optimal binding solution to arise. The scientists said that this is strong evidence that COVID-19 is not the product of purposeful manipulation. So, by comparing the available genome sequence data for known coronavirus strains, we can firmly determine that COVID-19 originated through natural processes. This was said by the lead researcher Christian Anderson.